Hey everyone, what is up? This is Carlos Sanchez, aka Sneak Geeks, SNEAKGEEKZ, on the internets, Twitter, Facebook, Bitcoin Talk, whatever. Anyway, in this video, we're going to cover a Genesis mining hashing upgrade. We're going to check out my hardware mining, how that's going, what is the state of hardware mining and equipment available out there now. And we're going to also take a look at the Bitcoin Dominance Index, something that I just learned about today. Kind of knew about it, but didn't know it had a name. So stay tuned as we get into that. Hey everyone, welcome back. Let's get rid of and let's go to the first window, which is I'm gonna check out some of my hardware mining. And we're going to, let's see where we at, 136 mega hashes, 3.55 Litecoin, and let's refresh this. Right now it's at 129, and that's still at 355. I think the Doge went up. So that machine is doing okay. It generally, you can see these dips, and that's when they have some network issues, and the machine is not transmitting to the pool. But generally, I am in the 130 mega hash range for this. Okay, so we're going to go over and we're going to take a look at, let's look at Hashness. So I have some mining going on there. I refreshed this earlier, 0.01015. So we're going to refresh that in a moment. Take a look at that. Look at my Genesis mining. To do that refresh, I'm going to actually move the screen. So let me go ahead and refresh this. In case I got to log in, I don't want things to be exposed as little as possible anyway. So let's bring this back onto the main screen. And we are here, and it's at 0.01562. So it looks like it went up a little bit there. Let's take a look at conversion to dollars. And I simply just go to Bitcoin price, just Google that, and Bitcoin has their, Google has their calculator, 1244, wow. And that's $13, not bad at all. So let's get into, just gonna do a Genesis mining upgrade. Let me just take a look at the stream health, see what's going on there. And if you're in there and you can hear me, send me a chat so I can make sure that this is all working correctly. And you know what, I'm gonna actually drag this window over to my other monitor so I can monitor the chats if they're happening as they're happening here. Let's see. Sorry, folks. So what you see right now also is some interesting Brave New Coin. There's an article. So along with, I've been in the Bitcoin space for about 6 years, I would say. 6 years, started off as a miner and as an investor, buying various different coins, doing proof of stake mining, hardware mining, SHA, script, the primary algorithms that I've mined that I stick to. In addition, I'm also a co-founder of a startup, and that's called isolve.io. and we're working on implementing a blockchain solution for pharma supply chain. So that's why this article is up, Brave New Coin, because I was reading up on this and looking at this potential architecture. So, okay. Doesn't look like there's much going on there. So once again, if you can hear me, send me a chat. I'm trying to give me a second, folks. I'm trying to separate the chat so I could put it in a separate window, but okay, here we go. That's what I was looking for. And I'm going to put this over here in case there are any chats going on. Okay. All right. So another thing we want to take a look at is, while we're here, let's check out some Bitcoin prices. Or cryptocurrency prices. Cryptocurrency market capitalization. Let's go to the front page. 1217. I don't know where 1244 was coming from. Ethereum is down a little bit. Ripple's way up, 14%. Litecoin is up 10% at 1123. Dash is down a little bit. And these are the primary coins I'm looking at. I was keeping an eye on Z Classic, which is number, where the hell is it? Let's just look at it here. And I mentioned this yesterday. It's number 78, so it's gone. 440 is dropped in price. Interesting there. So one of the things that I want to talk about that I mentioned was the Bitcoin Dominance Index. Found out about that. Let's go to this Google search window. Let's see. Forget his name. Cryptocurrency Market is his name. He was talking about something called the Flippening Merkle. The Merkle has an article on it, and there's some also discussion. So what it is, folks, and we've all had an idea of this, but we just never gave it a name, or I never gave it a name. I didn't know it had a name. So let's see. Let's go to Tools. Let's go to Global Charts. And total market capitalization, as we can see here, and we are at, is that 29 billion? 29 billion. That's huge. So this looks like that what that means is there's new money coming in to the crypto space. Fascinating. Combined altcoin is 9 billion. And the Bitcoin dominance, Bitcoin's percentage of total market cap is at 67%. It used to be 85%. Obviously, at one point, it was in the 90s. So what this means is that of the total market capitalization of cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin presently is only 67%. It used to be in the early 2017, it was at 87%. It dropped at one point, but it usually was above 80% for a long time. And now it is at 67%. Very interesting. So that means there's more people getting into alternative currencies versus Bitcoin. And what that means is that potentially one day Bitcoin won't be number one anymore. And the number one spot could potentially go to some other cryptocurrencies. Ethereum being at 4 billion is a pretty big deal. Ripple at 1 billion. You got Litecoin 569 million. Very interesting there. So so that's something to keep in mind. I also wanted to take a look at some hardware mining. that I discussed early on. So we got Baikal, the premium creator of Dash X11 or X11 miners. They also mine other currencies. It's not just X11. 6 hours ago, which was about 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, he said, we've got some for sale. Go now. Obviously, I went and they were out of stock. So as we go here to buy products, this is what was happening to me. Page changes, we go to add to cart, and nothing happens. So it looks like they're still out of stock. So they may be sold out immediately within a minute or two. It looks like they sold out. So that's the deal with that. Let's see what else we were going to go over. So here's some sites that look like they're reputable and they sell home mining equipment, hardware, but they're pretty much out of stock except for script miners. They have those in stock. Segwit. Let's take a look at Segwit for Litecoin. What is happening? It's at, let's see, 61% for the last 576, 71% for the last 8,064 blocks. So that is what is up with that. I showed you Hashness. Bittrex is another thing I look at. Is exchange that I like. I'm keeping my eye on BitBay. I bought a bit of BitBay when it was about 290 or so. So right now it is at 640. I was gonna cash out, right, and get me a hardware miner. Just gonna cash them all out, get me a hardware miner. But you know, I'm not sure, man, if I'm gonna do that. You know, I think because this is going up in price, I think I might hold off on buying a hardware miner. Let's see. Let's check out my. Let's refresh. I still need $44 to get to gold. Still hasn't happened. I'm still at silver, it looks like. My next rank is gold. So if anybody uses my affiliate code, my discount code, get 3% off, you will, I put yours in the comments below and I will use yours. It will be highly appreciated, and I appreciate everyone and thank everyone that's used my code up to this point and has got me up to the silver level. So we're looking to hit that gold. So please, if you can, use my code and I will use yours. Let's see. Upgrade hash power. I think I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to buy a little bit. And let's scroll down. We're going to get into X11. And I'm going to get, I think 7.5 is what I'm looking to get. And I'm going to use this code right here, control copy, and let's see. We're going to pay with Bitcoin. We're going to continue. Come on, baby. We're going to enter in a promo code. Validate. Let's see if I can get 3% off. And it worked. Nice, nice. All right. So once again, thank you to everyone using my code. Put your code in the comments and I will use your code. Let's go ahead and confirm that order. Let's see what's going on and get my wallet ready. I'm using the Mycelium wallet. I also use a Ledger Nano S, but I'm not going to get into that today. And it is still looking and here we go. So 0.35. I'm going to go to my Mycelium on my phone here. I'm going to, you guys can see that. I'm going to hit send, scan QR code, and I'm going to scan that code. Cool. Scanned it, 0.35, and you guys can see that. And we're going to hit send. Okay. So it's telling me it's 27.43 US dollar value for, that's weird, 0.22. That doesn't, so anyway, did that, and let's check the email, see what happens. See if I got a confirmation. Okay, yes, order is approved. Sweet, sweet, sweet. And so let's go back. That was 7.5. I had 307. Let's go to dashboard. And now I have 315. Very good. Looking good. Looking good. So profits up to this point is $61. That's good. I don't know if I got paid today. Let's look. Yep, it looks like I did get paid today here, the 20th. I got 0.07536518 in Dash. Let's go to Dash calculator. And see how much that is. CoinGecko, it's pretty good on that. Calculator, Dash, and $5. $5. It's kind of low, actually. Why is that? On the 20th, it's kind of low. Maybe the difficulty was kind of high because, as you can see here, yesterday was 0.9, 0.09, 0.06, so it's higher than that. 0.069. 0.08, 0.09. So a little bit, it's kind of in the middle. Let's check Coin Wars, and let's check the difficulty. What's happening with the difficulty? Could it be that? I mean, a lot of machines are available now. This was about 1,500, maybe a little bit more. 15, I'm going to say 90. So difficulty's at 107, so the difficulty is kind of low. So I don't know what's up with that. It said I should have got, oh, okay, so here we go. Daily 0.006, which is $8. But if we go here, it's telling me that it is $5. There is a divergence between CoinGecko and what is the price? Let's see. 07. Let's go to CoinMarketCap. Let's look at Dash. And let's look at it as, let's see, let's look at it in Bitcoin value. Dash 0.05 Bitcoin is 1 Dash. All right, anyway, I'm not going to get too deep into that. And that's really it for now, folks. I got to get going. Got to pick up the kids. I'm going into New York City, going out on a date. And just want to show you that mining upgrade. Want to talk to you about that Bitcoin dominance index, which is a very interesting thing to look at. over here once again, and wanted to show you my upgrade. So, and what I'm doing with hardware mining. I'm still considering getting a Litecoin miner for my Cillian. Still thinking about it every day. I think about it. And if you guys have been following me, I traded out a bunch of shit coins, which were hyperstake. Got rid of those. I'm looking to get rid of TechCoin, but the price is still very low. I got a bunch of those, 3+ million, and the price is still at 3 millibits. So I'm not going to cash those out yet. I was going to cash out my BitBay, but price is going up. There's some movement happening with the development. A lot of people are selling. Might be time to sell. All right, everybody. That is it for today. Stay tuned for my next video. And make sure to put your affiliate code in the comments below. And please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video, if you want more videos like this. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you.